They say rich is defined as having abundant possessions and material wealth. It is very common that the traditional rich person is not necessarily a very happy person. Here's a man who is both rich and happy. Idea is not the dictionary definition of rich, but rich in mindset, rich in culture, rich in love, and rich in spirit. He is able to gain both happiness and riches from the simple things in life, like water, air, plants, things of nature, smiles, sharing, knowledge. I pose this question to you. Which is more important to you, to be happy or to be rich? And what is the source of your happiness and your riches? Leave a comment below. This is part 2 of a 2-part video. I encourage you to go and watch part 1 to get a full tour of IDI's mansion just before watching this video.
Most people come here express themselves in their own way. Some people lay down and cry or groan.
We can definitely take quite a few lessons from this humble nature lover. Watch this video to the very end.
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
I will not left this one to go in.
It's Mommy Lynn's first time visiting IDI's residence, so let's see her reaction.
Ooh! Look at the inside. Isn't it cool? Come around, come around. She didn't get to see it last time, so I had to bring her back this time.
Wow!
Yeah.
I was watching the live and say, yeah, man, mommy, I come for that trip there.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow!
Yeah. He said that he watched the live.
Messiah!
Yeah, Gavi. Hey! You didn't even realize that mommy comes to pick up my...
Oh, I never said that. We'll get Marcus.
Marcus, you know, when they relax, then I know we don't relax.
Oh, okay.
Marcus, relax, man.
And in coconut brownie.
Yeah.
Wow.
So he was saying that he knew I was going to bring mommy. How do you know?
I was watching the live.
Yeah.
I say, mommy, I say, mommy, I come for that trip there. Mommy's supposed to come for that trip there.
Yeah.
Come see it for yourself.
Well,
own eyes and behold it for yourself, you know. Give thanks, mama.
Let me officially introduce you. It's Mommy Lynn.
Yes, Mama Lynn.
Your name Idea Lynn, no, no.
No problem with it, but we know me a black man say away. Yeah.
You saw the red carpet section.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No man, step up man away at that boy.
Step up on the red carpet.
Shoes can't too clean or too dirty, you know.
Oh my God!
Yeah man, we there give thanks to life. As you.
I mean, it is so cool. Like,
Wow.
I was just, when I came the last time,
No,
I
the
was
first
so...
time, no last
Right,
in
the
this thing.
first
That's
time.
teach of it, okay?
Right.
Yeah, I was so
We don't have an impact on you.
impressed
Yeah man.
with the place and just how he's able to do all of this by himself and make it look so good.
Wow.
And then the place looks so cool. And let's go over this side. This was one of my favorite sections because you pack the stones by yourself. No cement, nothing.
Wow.
Just look how the place just nice. And no man, I didn't have to come back. I had to come back, especially for you guys that kept saying that I have to come back. But we're gonna be here until it gets dark, so we'll see what the place looks like in the dark.
So that is the chimney area.
So he says that he burns under here, and it's to purify the air.
Wow.
It's an air purification process that's going on.
You know, you never see this way.
No, we never. Come up here.
Up here, so you got view to the whole down there, no?
Ooh.
That was our stone pack in there as well. And so the bushes do. They were a whole lot of rain, so the bush can get thick for me. But so I clean up some bill.
Yeah. Oh my God! Look down there.
There is a village for itself, you know.
Wow. Look what I'm doing with the tire. They might use them neck
Yeah. This is
steps.
so.
Isn't this a great idea?
Yeah.
Wow.
As I was saying, kilos way down there. Same man.
But you had mentioned that there was a waterfall. Where was the
The
water?
fountain. This.
Fountain.
Yeah, but the pump
Oh,
gone.
yeah.
The pump, submerged pump that's still the road and with the water.
Ooh.
So like a river vibe and you have the fire, the deep air water, those kind of elements.
Mhm.
And that govern
Yeah. What
vibe
else
nation. Yeah man. Make sure that the seat, I change out the seat inside. You can go something like
Something they found it. Ooh.
Most people come here express themselves in their own way. Some people lay down and cry around.
Really?
Some people just say, you know, they just express, let's let go.
Yeah.
Even up to yesterday I was here, I do some work, I'm here calling one lady. They didn't know it was who, pick up the voice, but she, Rasta may have to come look for you. Still me bring my boyfriend with me. Who want to talk to you?
Alright guys, before we continue, I want to pause to remind you that I have a discount for you in order to purchase a tablet from Smart Mobile Solutions. You need to go to Smart Mobile and tell them that Rushelin sent you in order to get a percentage discount on your purchase. And for those of you that are not aware, the Ministry of Education has created a program called Own Your Own Device Incentive Program, where they're giving 20,000 Jamaican dollar voucher to students that are in need to aid in their online learning. So if you are or you know of a student who would need that $20,000 to purchase a tablet, then I'd say definitely go on their website and apply today. The website is oyod.educate.gov.jm. In order to qualify for this, the parent that's applying need to have a tax registration number, TRN. The student needs to have a student registration number, and that's the number that you'd use to get into school. The parent's annual income should not surpass 500,000 Jamaican dollars. Students should not have already been a PATH beneficiary, and then there's one application per household. So as long as you meet that criteria, then I'd say go on the website right now, apply, because as long as you qualify, you will get through. And once you get through, you can only redeem those vouchers, that 20,000 voucher, at an approved vendor. One of those vendors is Smart Mobile Solutions. You remember Smart Mobile Solution SMS, the one that helped us out a few months ago, for those of you that are real Rushelin supporters, when Tavia needed a laptop. Tavia, who is the teacher from country and the farmer who really needed a laptop to help in her online schooling, they stepped in and they helped us out a great deal. So now it's our time to show some support. So once you get that voucher, just run over to them and purchase a tablet from them. And remember, we hooked you up with a discount as long as you tell them that Rushelin sent you. Cool, they have all the devices that you can ever need with all the specs that are required by the ministry. They are located at 12 Ruthven Road in Kingston, Jamaica. When you do get the voucher and you take it to them, be sure to take the voucher number, your TRN, your national ID, and you just head over there and redeem your voucher ASAP. If for some reason you are unable to make it, yes, you can send someone to represent on your behalf, but you have to give them a letter stating that you're giving them permission, and that letter should be signed and stamped by the JP. Give them your ID, let them take their ID and TRN and the voucher number, and they can redeem for you. Now, Smart Mobile is where I'm sending you. However, I'm also going to put a list of some other locations that you can go and purchase, just in case you're unable to get to Smart Mobile in Kingston. We have some Flow Store locations that it's okay if you still go and get your tablets there. So if you know somebody that needs a tablet, needs the money to get a tablet, doesn't know about my videos, doesn't know about this program, I'm going to encourage you to please share it with your family and friends. If you're living outside of Jamaica, share it to their family and friends that are in Jamaica so that they can benefit from this. It's a one-time thing being done by the Ministry of Education, so we need to just take advantage of it because, you know. So I'm going to head back into the video now. Thank you for listening. So let's get back to Idea's Vineyard.
Idea is saying, the I and I, no one man showed that earth, no time at all.
Yeah.
So I take a togetherness.
Yes.
You know? So me there and I'm just saying, idea, you know. So simple as say the I and I. And that's our reason as Rasta too. The I here, right? I said to the I. So we just say idea, because what me I do is not my life alone and people. My life and people life. As Bob said, it's more profound, you know. And them things I may listen to and check it and see me not the same vibration there. So just give thanks and hold on to the word and say, yeah, my life of other people same way. Not my life alone, you know. So we'll share it up. Yeah man, we'll share it up, you know.
Wow.
Yeah man. Do some stone packing up. You know, I'm at packing up. When I was starting this place, it's up at the top. I start at the bottom now. Some start to come down. Below all the steps come. Not like I start from down here.
Okay.
Start up top and start carve out, come down. You know? And then I say, alright, that will take a bit of work down, so I'm going to end up. You can't do one place now, there, fit. But there's this morning, I do a little later on. You know, I'm going to stop in one place to get it to wait there. You know? Just like when I build a house, if I build this, I build this.
You see some nice architecture and engineering work.
Yeah, man, we have them things as Africans, man. We don't need to go to school and study for them.
A grapefruit tree there.
Yeah, I get some beards or fight, you know.
Yeah,
fight hard with them and thing, you know.
One big one, Panny.
Yeah, we fight hard with them thing, you know. But really, I'm sure, you know, it's a vibration and we carry out the work.
Yeah.
My mission of the work is to serve life, you know.
Yeah, man.
And get the best out of it.
Says me, I get married, me can't go walk.
Listen to me, all kind of things can go, yeah, man. Most of them things I see them on the road and pick up, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I'm throw them by my shoulder, by my little bicycle, you know, or people and bother them, boy, give me a hand. Sometimes, you know, if it has stretch out with a dollar bill, if people now move, you know.
Actually.
I mean, I'm greater than the dollar at any time. You know what I mean?
You want ducky, then?
Yeah, man. First, you know, I had only one duck. You know. I get one female duck
You got that?
2 years ago, and you get a male, and the first litter she make 18.
Wow.
I give them to children, peer. I sell nothing when I do something, you know. Try to get money.
Yeah.
You know this thing. I don't have not money doing it. So I and I, and most I and not money doing it.
And for the good old goodie there.
Yeah, I make you talk about that then.
I love
Worry
that.
more on that plate or
So if I want a little neat, we can do it right also.
yeah, but and this space is for everything. It's a university, you know. It's a church. It's a community center. You name it. We gather how and gather here so at any time, you know, and deal with issues of life and people. Yes, sir.
Yeah, the part, yes, I know, where the trees go. Wow. Ooh.
I look at turtle on here, so.
Yeah.
So the one nice one people get another one. So, fun.
Yeah.
You never see it.
I'm gonna
Right.
embed it. I'm gonna
Yeah, man, I
embed
want
it.
the animals.
So my memory cards are full because we've been filming all day. So I'm just transferring the files to my hard drive, which they're here as you can see. So we can have empty memory cards.
And I'm chewing, so are you.
Yeah. So it's actually a good place to work. And it's quiet. It's clean. I mean, if you drop something, you can find it. You just have to look
You
between
just
the
need a
stones.
juice bar, you know.
Like a nice little smoothie.
Yeah, so we can have some natural juices.
So we have some noni there, you know what I said? So if you don't want to sip on noni,
No, some I don't want no sip and no smell bad.
up to you.
I need
first-
healthy, but I can't.
We know.
Smell it, I go smell it.
We don't smell. We don't put noni in a plastic bag. I say, lock it with airtight. I'm sure I keep the noni. Alright, ferment. Ferment my noni into this. Yes, mama. Yeah, man, it's a nice vibe, man. Having a noni there in J.A. Yeah, man. Yes, something healthy, right? Noni, not so much things to it for the body, mind and soul.
Yeah, look alright. So what is noni good for?
I was just telling you.
Wow.
I don't know research by it, but it's really half a wood. I go over 13 to 14 different vitamin art and something.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, only has firm something like the meringue.
Mm-hmm.
Firm something like that.
Okay. Nice.
So we feed up on them things there, you know?
Mm-hmm.
So you look young, so.
Yeah, feed up on them things, you know?
You
So,
past 40?
me have 52 this year.
You look good though.
Yeah, 52 this year.
You're born 69.
Yeah. September the 27th.
Yeah.
And I live by the scale, that's why I have to keep life out too.
Yeah.
Scale, you know?
You balance it too.
Yeah.
It tastes good. Noonie. You know, drink it? Come rush it, taste it.
Energize it, you know, is there so much things that they don't want to do?
Yeah.
Sure, I wonder. That
Sip,
smell
man,
bad,
sip, just be open.
that smell bad taste.
I've always disliked the smell of noni from I was young.
Forget the smell.
Alright, let's try.
Might have a-
Don't taste
Come
bad.
on, don't. Seriously.
Aye. See, this astonishes her. She acquired the
Look when
taste.
if it's already with cayenne pepper and everything there. And
You put cayenne pepper in this?
Yeah, that would be nice. Wow.
Let me tell you something.
Mommy, I'm no wicked.
Wicked, then you can go and see somebody that lives on it, when wicked.
No, but cayenne pepper in this for taste good.
Yes, so she.
That's the mechanism of Earth. The natural mystery Bob tell about.
Yeah.
It is
Is
that
that-
vast.
That goes in and cause.
So this is supposed to clean you out?
Yes.
Whether clean out, build you up.
Clean and build.
Clean and build. But you know, I did a video. I think it was in 2019 where I went to this place called Ibo Spice. It's downtown.
Okay, I hear about it.
You know it?
I hear about that.
It's a vegetarian cook shop. So it's a little man in him yard. Him have a little cook shop.
Ibo, you mind, it's a
Ibo, it's a
yeah,
Rasta
man.
man.
Yeah, it's a Rasta man. It's a would read every day or something.
Yeah, man, the food is so good.
Yeah, man.
It's really good. But what I did when I was there is they had like noni shots with the cayenne pepper shot. So them have 3 different shots. One called Thunder, Lightning, and something else.
Yes, brimstone and fire.
Brimstone and fire and all kind of sit me and tell her it work up my body. Jerk up my body. I just remember it now that him said the cayenne and the noni. Listen, these people believe into the natural remedies.
Yeah, man, me have a corona bomb on top of my stove right now.
She makes a medicine called Corona Bomb. Well, she makes a herbal drink, herbal tea. Tell them what's inside of it.
The 3 G's. The garlic, the ginger, and the ganja. Turmeric. The busy. The cayenne pepper.
I'm going to give you some incense now. You smell what I was telling you about.
I put a little rosemary in it for the memory part.
Yeah, man.
I put a little of the sweet smelling mint, and I also put some lemongrass. I cut up a whole lemon with the skin and all, wash it and just cut it up in the tea and put that to boil. You know? And I'm telling you,
When I do that here,
Jay was complaining about some mucus where bother him down inside him throat, and 3 mornings of drinking it. He come back and say, Mommy, what happened to the tea? The thing working or the thing working? What happened to the tea? I said, I never know you want more tea this morning. And I had to get going now. You know?
Jay is my little brother, by the way.
I had to get going, giving him a big cup.
I didn't go on a computer, people see me and say, my God, I saw your place beautiful away. As I tell me, say, we must come check you. And
People come and tell you this
I said, gee, my gosh, what a place. No, sir. No, sir. Are your place that looks so nice?
People see you and tell you. You're a little celebrity.
People like England. No, I'm born celebrity, man.
Alright. You know what I mean, alright. Me know so
I
you
don't work with me, I don't work with the work.
alright, the word.
The word reflect itself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you said people see you, people even from England call you.
I sent a video to them friends and I said, hey, I said, yeah, man.
Look at that. That is so
So
sweet.
you have to be.
Work, yeah.
Hey, me like how now watch my videos. Thank you guys.
Yeah, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, man.
Family, big up on yourself.
Big
Yeah,
up on
man.
yourself. Me happy. So what's in this now?
That's it. We have orange peel here now, grapefruit peel and the thinking toe shell, and it has a wonderful smell.
Me never know thinking toe can smell good. Me always think thinking toe think.
They eat them,
No,
man.
you know,
They still eat them after the day.
Even if something more
I don't think they'll keep
fruit
you know.
inside where you eat. You don't think, me don't know
I
they
just
get
think,
to call it.
I don't know how to get the name. I always
get
want,
that name then.
from my growth till now, I wonder what kind of thing about it.
Think at
No,
all.
Does that
it
mean you
smell
know the
good.
thing?
As a matter of fact, it smell good.
It smell good.
They have a nice fragrance. Sometimes
Guys, listen, some persons did comment under the last video saying that thinking toe supposed to think. Let me tell you, it actually smell good.
don't million people just say Rasta will love the smell.
Yeah.
You know? You know? So it's really, it's a natural mystics about this thing, man, and this live it and this life.
So let me
and
ask you something.
Mm-hmm.
Mosquito no bother you? Ooh, me smell it.
Let me not go all about, I'm going to say mosquito. Mosquito travel all with me in a van vehicle.
Yeah,
They don't know how much mosquito they feel.
None. From me
And them they
that's why
both.
me ask.
And them they both. And there was time when they were enough. And them get.
So no bother worry about.
No.
No bother
me-
worry.
But
yeah,
she
me
smell
no.
lazy.
It smell good.
No, I tell you. And
Actually,
the
it
orange
really smell
peel and
good.
something. Yeah, man. And then when we have the lemongrass, sometimes I put a piece of the French thyme, yeah?
Yeah.
French thyme, you see them? Smell it?
Nice.
You smell it? Oh, sorry. We put this on the fire. You see all the French thyme here?
Yeah.
I have twisted with the French thyme. You
Yeah.
smell it.
Go to work on the cat meat.
Yeah. So we add them thing to a thing and we're nice. I can get my chalice in time. I can't live with it. I don't want. Yeah, man. When I bun chalice with nothing added in a straight herbs in a bun grabber. I'm seeing the ganja itself.
Yeah. So this is what it is looking like at night. The different sections. The bedroom have a little greenish. Well, it's not a dedicated bedroom, but the room with the room with what looks closest to a bed. Has some green. You see some red over here. You know, to go back to where the fire is so you can see. There's yellow over there, red over there. No, we didn't come to this side.
The children had class here yesterday.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, this is more well. You know, the children had class here yesterday. And a lady from over the scheme over there, so. Yeah.
Nice. I'm gonna come here. I'm gonna do my meet and greet here.
Anything you want.
Yeah. Incense smells so good. It actually smells good.
Just make sure we are do after the good.
Yep, it is. It is for the good.
Keep
And I
it
appreciate
positive. Come, I know you come back. I know you're coming here before you come here. I know you're coming back.
Now come back, man.
Me not ask you, I tell you. I know.
Starline there.
Yeah, alright, so we do all the good things then. Yeah, we're going to take up the A after that. Carry on, smell it for me.
We're coming back. We're
Yeah,
coming
man,
back.
so.
And I appreciate the hospitality.
I'm not in hospitality, I'm in our own hospital.
I appreciate
I and I, you know?
Yeah,
you know,
the warm welcome.
Listen to me. sometimes hot. I
It's
don't know.
warm now.
No, it's warm.
appreciate-
I know what you're saying. I'm not trying to be.
Yeah.
But we know we are
Yeah,
expressing.
you know, inviting us in and being open to us being in and
No, man, the people can't tell us our people place.
yeah, man, I love it, man.
Happy
From
place.
the first time I come, I was just like, yeah,
Look, you know, long people want this on TV and can I say for what?
yeah,
Me advertise business. Who want come and who shall we ever make up?
yeah.
You know what I mean? All walks of people come inside us. All walks of people.
What I try to even impart on people is that positivity and life is how you look at it, it's how you view it, it's how you choose to live it, you know. Everything I go on in the world, but if you just keep a level head and a positive mindset,
Yeah, man.
then it will change your world.
It's not nothing easy, but
Yeah, it's not
if
easy,
you, as I say,
but
it
just have a
take-
positive perspective
Yeah,
on things and it will,
And don't forget your God, man. No matter how you want to reason with him or something. Not afraid, man. We should fear God. Then check it, man. Just check, imagine the God will make all good, wonderful life and things. Some for fear. Then up to something. So, right through earth, we grow and hear them at the Rasta. We have say, no, sir, we have fix it. And we have make it remain as Rasta. Because say Rasta, the black heart man, well, see the black heart man works, yeah. You know? Children are not supposed to get scared. You put on something in your phone. Your phone?
You should have called me.
Hey, let me tell you something. People come and say, I don't know, enough things, people come and left things. I'm just so caught up. People come and put on all them phone and say, no, I need this. I say, yes, the way to go. Because this come to take you away from yourself. This sort of system where them bring come for I and I life governed by, which me never governed by the things already before that. And I'm not talking about technology. Me myself is technology. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
We as humans, as people, are technology. The way we mean technology. Then it is who create the technology, what am I talking about now? Not I and I. So I just the thing that we have to see for ourselves, it's not hard to learn the thing that man say. Enough tricking and con. Come in and say no lie I tell you, you know. They think the only lie I tell that there is a lie. I say trick and con and them something there. Scamming there about a long time. I mean, every time some serious things, I mean, I know if you're a YouTube channel, I can imagine. I don't know if I know YouTube state.
yeah, them have them policies.
Yeah, but
certain
me
things
not
that-
disrespect nobody. Me I talk when me know I go on. And the world know too. There's enough people in the world. But me just I say, when me sit down and check where them coming to tell me how to live, it no ready.
So what you use this do? Are this pickaxe? Right?
No, come on girl.
What's that?
You know I'm working sooner than me, you know. So come on, this is the axe.
So now that me say?
But you said pickaxe.
Pickaxe.
I'm
Let's
going
see
for the
things.
pickaxe.
No.
I'm going for the Selassie I live. I'm going for the pickaxe.
So pickaxe different from axe?
Different, yeah.
I'm going for the pickaxe.
Pickaxe are the one where you use
It have a
Here is the pickaxe.
Oh.
I have matuk looking like this with a brother.
So what's the difference? What the two of them
It's an
do?
axe, it's chopped.
chop tree
Really,
and
this dig.
This dig trench and
Oh.
No, nothing. You
Okay.
better to learn and pick up. I don't know. I'm see I said on YouTube say you was talking about the latrine.
The pit latrine.
I'm going to couple of them, you know.
Oh,
So
yes,
yeah, and being honest to yourself,
Yeah.
you don't need to lie about nothing for your honest. If you learn for honest to yourself,
Yeah.
you're not going to take another lie.
Listen.
hash tree.
Me not like tell lie, I prefer don't say nothing. And if I don't know something, I'm gonna ask.
Ask questions. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. You could have whole young whatever.
Yeah.
Don't be afraid.
I'm gonna ask.
Sharing run hurt. Me don't go to sell and free and something them word, you know. A sharing run hurt. Me don't know about the selling and the free. Them word them in to follow up and go on. But me know it. But if you know what it's about. That's why I say the word reflect the word. I don't want a meaning. A lot of people say meaning. I say fine, I don't have a problem with that. But me use the word itself. Because outside and me will know if we differentiate it and measure it down and put it in a sentence too. It's like me I tell somebody that they say live and live are the same spelling in our English. So me I tell them say the man live in the house, they don't say no that can't sound good. I say yeah idiot, what do you mean? So you say the man live in the house? Alright then the man live in the house. In dead? So live and not live in the house. When you're in the house you're dead and you're not alive. I say the man live in the house. I can make my own sentence. The man is live in the house. No, that not sound good. Living in the house sound better. I say sound better.
I saw you what that
So it's a whole heap of things. And them can't try trap me with sound. Them trap with everything.
If you get to the I have long and short sound according to the English.
Yeah.
So if you
If
can
they don't get my
you can
African is
live.
back in me to the fullest, you know, my words or my speak African. I don't think anyone will. You rush? Me check ABC. From a little bit, them teach me ABC. A, B, C, D, E. Nice singing, nice, beautiful. You catch it as you hear it. I'll speak next. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Straight to Z. So me find, so whenever Z, you know, hear them again. Now I know my ABC. Me say stop. No, me remember, so you tell me A to Z. When start my ABC. No, me remember, so straight as Z you they go.
Yeah.
Now I know my ABC. I know just ABC we just do. A straight to Z. So we have to learn the things and see where them come about.
Then they come back and say A.
See the cartoon. I a long time I see and feel things. How does it go about life?
Then come back and say I O U.
Yeah, you know.
I know U O I. Is I O U.
My brother
You know who you?
My brother just say
Remember
A E O I always it's the vowels those you know. It's the vowels we are teach about you know.
Me know.
A E O I always are O U.
Alright guys, so this is where I'm gonna end today's video. IDI.
Yes man, give thanks.
Gratitude. Give thanks.
Mama.
Thank you so much.
Yeah man.
Appreciate it more than I can
Cool
imagine.
man. Yeah
Appreciate
man.
the reasoning, the wisdom, the knowledge, the overstanding. To make it the
Don't go
talking.
on, no, under them want have it. All we have them on that place.
Say when you go drown.
Yeah man, so
I appreciate
just
it.
afraid to live man.
Yeah man.
Live to the fullest man, but do the right thing then, you know.
Do the right thing, positive
Yeah.
thing. Alright people, so big up on yourself. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video interesting, entertaining, informative, inspiring, the whole works.
Yeah man.
You know, putting in the work. So thank you guys so much. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me at Rocheline on Instagram and Twitter as well. And without further ado, I'm gonna say bye and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Before we go though, I want all of us to say the tagline. I don't know what it is right now.
I don't know what a tagline.
You don't know
after
watching the video then, you don't know what it is?
Sitting with the family.
No, let's go.
Let's go. Okay. I watch them, but there's so much things up me.
Alright, so ready? Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
I will not left this one to go in.